For the NPA now. So the NPA, you measure it from the nair. The nair is the nostril pretty much, the whole of the nostril. That's the nair. To the earlobe. This, it's designed, you guys see this bevel, the 45-degree angle? You guys see that or no?
Yeah.
Oh, really? You see it? Okay, don't lie. You see it? Okay. So this is like this because it's designed to go into the right nostril. Supposedly the right nostril is the biggest nostril. I never measured nostril, so I don't know for a fact, but that's what I've been told. So the way you insert it is you want the bevel, and you'll have lube, and the class will use sanitizer because there's a lot of friction. But they do come with little packs, little lubes, and you just pretty much put the bevel on the septum. What's the septum?
Middle of the
Middle of the nose, right? And you go straight back. You never want to go up. People are tempted to go up because it looks like it should go up. No, I don't know. But people are tempted to go up. You want to go straight back. If you go straight back, you guys see that curvature? Mm-hmm. The curvature is made to go with the anatomy of the airway. So it'll go straight back, it'll curve in place. And where is it gonna ultimately land?
in the layer.
Behind the pharynx and the tongue. So this makes a little gap so you can actually breathe, or breathe for the patient if you're ventilating the patient. So now, did you see that? You caught that?
Got it.
Okay, I'm gonna have you measure it. You measure it from the nair, you didn't catch that part, from the nair to the earlobe, and then it's inserted in the right nostril. Real quick, I forgot one thing. Let's say that you put it in you're trying to insert this in the right nostril and you meet resistance, like really bad resistance, you can't get it in there. What you want to do is take it out, and you can put it in the left nostril if for some reason you have resistance in the right one, upside down. The goal is to put this bevel, the bevel on the septum. So then we kind of treat it like an OPA at this point. We're gonna insert it. On this one, they actually made it small. Okay, gonna insert it back. When you're about halfway through, you wanna flip it. Why do you think you wanna flip it upside down?
Because of the curvature.
The curvature is gonna help you out, right? Exactly. And you go straight back. And that's it. And if you have a little slack, that's fine, it's not a big deal. Sometimes you can see it back there, but it doesn't show on this one. Any questions? No? All right. Go ahead, Dylan. Actually, let me mark you here, and I'll be right back.
So next week's our last week of lecture.
Who says that?
Isn't it like 4 weeks EMT1 and then?
We still have lecture, but we have lecture for EMT too.
Oh.
Like we go into trauma, so the next half is trauma. Let me see you measure it, please.
Facing inwards towards the 7.
You're natural.
At some point I gotta curve this.
No, you don't.
Oh no?
You're doing too much. There you go. Good. That's it. Good job. All right, Jerry. When you were up here, I feel like you were about to do surgery for some reason. It's tense. Okay, that works.
Oh, she got it.
Yeah, straight back, because then that all allows the curvature too. Awesome, good. Yeah, you can't see it on this one. Some of you can, but not on this one. All right, go ahead, son.
We're gonna measure from the spot from here to the
Straight back. There you go. So when do you think you might not want to use an NPA? That you might not want to use it.
fractures in the face.
Yeah, good job, good. Yeah. And the reason behind that is because we're not sure exactly what's damaged and how far up it's gonna go. So we don't know how much damage we could potentially cause if we do cause any damage at all. So go for it. Good. Good. Yeah, that's why they give us a suit there. Cause that can happen. But it's actually easier on a human being, cause there's more fluid and mucus and stuff.
So for suction with the NPA, is it that little thin little hose, and how far should it go back into the NPA?
So that's not designed for that. That is designed mainly for like pediatric. Pediatrics, and also it's good for if they have a tracheostomy, if they have that hole here, that gets a lot of mucus built up as well, and it's good for that, it's smaller. There you go. Good. Hold it with this. Close.
Alright, we pleasure yourself.
Dead weight.
That's very good.
Thank you.
These two there,
Awesome, that's it. Good job.